Your live stream is complete, what's next? Repurpose your content to reach more viewers. Transform streams and boost impact. Repurposing saves time and expands your audience. Convert streams into new formats for diverse viewers. Share clips on Instagram or create a podcast. Engage viewers hungry for captivating content. Revive your best moments. Explore effective repurposing techniques. Create video highlights for social media. Use key point snippets on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Leverage stories for teasers that build anticipation. In 2024, Instagram Stories had over 500 million daily users. Engage with this format. Consider tutorials for lasting value. Simplify complex topics for viewers to revisit, attracting new audiences. Write blog posts summarizing your streams, adding insights. Use transcription software to save time and incorporate video clips. Interested in podcasts? Extract audio from streams for listeners. In 2024, 546 million enjoyed podcasts. Reach new audiences now. Keep these tips for efficient repurposing. Plan ahead for a smoother process. Always stream in high quality and use editing tools. Consistency matters, but balancing engagement is key. Stay active with your community after posting. Ready to repurpose like an expert. Apply these strategies to extend your content's lifespan. Need software? Try Switcher free for 14 days. Subscribe to our blog for more insights and updates.